Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to tell you about the new Thomas Paine theater seating and all Montana High Country fifth wheels. One of the best features of the new theater seating is obviously the comfort, great padding, great shape to the seat, but also we've added power recliners. So now to recline the seat, we simply just use the button right here on the inside of the armrest, and that'll fully recline. And bring us back. On top of that, we have a USB charger right here in the control where we can easily plug in our media devices, phone, iPad, anything like that, and charge our phone while we're sitting here relaxing in the theater seat. Thanks for watching. For more information, check us out at KeystoneRV.com.